Hi. Welcome to my video, Make Money Online Mastering Amazon How to Become a Digital Nomad. Check it out. Are you interested in making money online? Would you like to give up your job and have total financial freedom? Does living a digital nomad lifestyle sound appealing? Or do you just want to make some extra money to supplement your income? All this is possible. Please watch this video to the end. Step into the world of selling on Amazon with 2.0 Mastering Amazon. This comprehensive video training program is designed for advanced sellers to scale their Amazon business to 7+ figures and is made to turn newbies into big-time sellers as well. With advanced strategies to protect your business, find hidden suppliers and increase sales beyond what you thought was possible. From setting up your accounts, dominating product categories and maintaining metrics to finding high-profit items, exclusive wholesale suppliers with over 4M products, building brands without FBA, automation software and long-term protection strategies, drop shipping on Amazon has never been more exciting. Created by Kevin Edgar, a professional Amazon seller and 7-figure earner who has special knowledge with the Amazon platform, 2.0 gives you everything you need, even downloadable customer service scripts for any scenario. Want FBA, fulfillment by Amazon, profits without doing FBA? And having to order costly shipments from overseas, hoping your product will sell? We've got you covered. Take your Amazon business to the ultimate level with bigger margins and invaluable wholesale suppliers. Learn to own the buy box 24/7 with bulletproof original listings and secret techniques that will keep you safe and keep you in profit. You'll also have access to our exclusive private members group where you'll have us, and others just like you, for support and questions every step of the way. Asterisk for a limited time only, students who purchase this course will gain access to our Launch Your Empire training for free. Sneak peek of what's inside. Hundreds of wholesale suppliers, opening a seller account, Seller Central and account settings, UPC codes and OG listings, exclusive, genuine private label drop shipping, repricing and inventory management, customer service and metrics, with copy and paste scripts, original listings, the power of keywords, hidden US suppliers, building your reputation, running ad campaigns, auto and manual, bonus suppliers, FBM to FBA strategy, building a brand without FBA print on demand drop shipping, perceived value in Amazon research, super huge profits ninja strategy, automate buy box repricing, beating best sellers by drop shipping, wholesale suppliers, reselling and automation software, wholesale research and dropship to FBA advanced, researching products and first wholesale listings, Instagram for Amazon, and lots more. Member reviews. Kevin, who runs the training, has been extremely successful in e-commerce and is constantly adapting to the changing market. If this does not set Kevin apart, then I don't know what does. This course should be a lot more. Anyone can take this course and become a multi-millionaire within a couple of years if you apply the training and stay diligent. Robert M. Brilliant. This is a gateway to heaven. Well done, guys. Ramon. Best drop shipping course out there. Started to make sales the morning right after listing my first couple of products. Kevin is very knowledgeable with Amazon, eBay that has helped me skip tons of mistakes that would have cost me lots of money in the long run. Would highly recommend all the courses, especially when they are priced really low. I spent $900 plus on courses and none nearly had as much value as the launch training in 2.0, Mastering Amazon. Another awesome thing is they have an amazing support group and they are always there to answer questions as fast as they can. Thank you for your help and support. Ricky S. If you are serious about making money online, and possibly becoming a digital nomad, look no further and click on the first link in the description. Please like this video to help it rank, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the bell icon on, as I will be doing other videos on other courses that I have personally completed and profited from. Also check out my travel stories and video clips of the various places that I have visited. Until the next time.